The essence of muscle cars. They are more than machines. They represent power, speed, and freedom. Born on American streets, the muscle car has evolved. It's a global phenomenon now. From Detroit's roaring V8s to Europe's precision-tuned powerhouses, these cars are automotive icons. This essay will explore the differences and similarities between American and European muscle cars. We'll delve into their history, design, and performance. Buckle up and let's hit the open road of automotive passion. American muscle cars are legendary, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts for decades. They emerged in the 1960s, a time of cultural revolution and automotive innovation. Picture this: affordable, powerful V8 engines in mid-size cars, making high performance accessible to the masses. The Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Charger became icons, each with its own unique appeal and fan base. These cars were all about raw power and straight-line speed, dominating drag strips and highways alike. They weren't always the most sophisticated, often prioritizing brute force over finesse, but they were undeniably cool, embodying a spirit of freedom and rebellion. American muscle car design is all about aggression, with bold grilles and menacing headlights. Long hoods, short decks, and bold lines dominate, creating a look that's both powerful and stylish. Think of it as a visual representation of the power underneath, a promise of performance. The rumble of a V8 engine is the soundtrack to American muscle, a symphony of power and performance. Performance is what it's all about, with every aspect designed to thrill. Quarter-mile times and horsepower figures are badges of honor, celebrated by enthusiasts. American muscle is about raw, visceral driving thrills, an experience that's both exhilarating and unforgettable. European muscle cars have a different flavor, a unique blend of power and precision that sets them apart. They emphasize handling and balance as much as power, making every drive an exhilarating experience. These cars often feature smaller, turbocharged engines that pack a punch, delivering impressive performance. They deliver their power in a more refined way, ensuring a smooth yet thrilling ride. Think BMW M cars, Audi RS models, and Mercedes AMG. These brands epitomize European muscle. They're just as fast as their American counterparts, but with a different approach to speed. But they do it with a touch more sophistication, blending luxury with performance seamlessly. European muscle car design is about understated athleticism, combining elegance with power. Clean lines, aerodynamic shapes, and luxurious interiors are common, enhancing both form and function. These cars are as much about going fast as they are about looking good doing it. Performance is still paramount, but style is never compromised. But it's delivered with finesse, ensuring every aspect of the drive is meticulously crafted. Think precision handling, strong brakes, and advanced suspension systems, all working in harmony. European muscle is about the total driving experience, where every detail is designed to enhance your journey. Across the pond, comparing muscle cars. Today we dive into the world of high-performance vehicles, exploring the unique characteristics that set American and European muscle cars apart. The biggest difference between American and European muscle cars is their philosophy. Each has its own distinct approach to performance and design. American muscle is about raw power and straight-line speed. These cars are built to dominate the quarter mile with their thunderous V8 engines. European muscle is about a more balanced approach, combining power with handling and refinement. They excel on twisty roads and racetracks, offering a more sophisticated driving experience. This difference is reflected in the price tags. The cost of these vehicles often mirrors their design philosophies. American muscle cars tend to be more affordable. They offer a lot of bang for your buck, making high performance accessible to a wider audience. You can get your hands on a new Mustang GT for a reasonable price. It's a perfect example of American muscle's value proposition. European muscle cars, with their advanced technology and luxury features, command a higher price. They cater to those seeking a blend of performance and luxury. Despite their differences, there are similarities. Both types of cars are engineered to deliver exhilarating performance. Both American and European muscle cars offer thrilling performance. They are designed to provide an adrenaline rush every time you hit the gas pedal. They turn heads wherever they go. Their striking designs and powerful presence make them the center of attention, and they evoke a sense of passion in their drivers. Owning one of these cars is not just about transportation, it's about the experience and the thrill. The choice between the two comes down to personal preference. It's about what you value more in a driving experience. Do you crave the visceral thrill of a roaring V8 and tire-smoking acceleration, the raw, unfiltered power of American muscle? Or do you prefer the refined power delivery and precise handling of a European sports car? The elegance and sophistication that comes with European engineering? Conclusion: the soul of the machine. Muscle cars, whether American or European, represent the pursuit of automotive performance. They are expressions of power, speed, and style. American muscle cars offer raw, visceral thrills at a more attainable price. European muscle cars deliver a more refined and technologically advanced driving experience. The choice between the two is a matter of taste. But one thing is certain: muscle cars in all their forms will continue to ignite our passion for driving. They are the embodiment of the automotive soul.